you Dirty Potters. How are you today? Today is the first day of my Nceca trip. Of course, as always, I'm going to record day 0, which is today, which is the trip getting to Nceca.
Day 0.
My mom's here.
Day 0.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
The difference this time is that I will be taking the Amtrak train because at the current state of affairs, I don't trust these planes. I'm not too much of a religious person, but I do think that human beings were not made to be going that fast, that high up, that close to God. So I'm taking the good old choo-choo. My mother is going to drive me to the station because otherwise I would have Ubered there, and she doesn't like that. That's it. That's the whole story. We have to record ourselves going now. And so we're gonna like look at the ground while we walk, so it transitions into somebody assuming that we're going to a place.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll get a still shot of the place we're going to, and then it's like a show don't tell type of deal.
There?
Yes, I have pants in there. I'm not gonna wear the same pair of pants for
I'm just. It's.
5 days.
Oh, that's nasty. Oh, they're so nasty.
The mechanism that closes the actual garage is inside of my car right there, and I keep it locked in my car so that nobody can break into my car and then get into my house easier, even though there's locks on the door going into the actual house. That being said, I'm too lazy to actively pull out my keys and do any of that business, so I always do one of these. Yeah, get screwed, sensor. You know, it's a little bit strange because the way I thought this room would work is that I'd have much more room. Like the way they phrased it was that I was gonna have like a sink and a toilet. It is a lot of room, but I do kind of feel like I'm in a space fantasy slash sci-fi novel, and this is my capsule. I can stand up and everything, and I have my own air conditioning system, and it's actually really nice. And you can't really see it from here, but I actually have quite a bit of room. I can spread my feet all the way over there, and at night, this folds down to become a bed. And there is technically a bed above me, but all the stuff above me, I've essentially put like all of my stuff up here, because I don't know where else to put it.
I need sleepy time right now.
gonna give you guys a quick house tour. We have the dining room.
And it's a bumper. And it's big like a
There's a couple different rooms over here. There's this large room here. This is where I was sleeping last night, but I know Tim C is gonna be in that bed. I was supposed to be in this bed, but I found a better option that's open because there's supposed to be another person coming in, and they're larger than me, so obviously they'd have a bed. Fair is fair. And so I was gonna be up in a good old Harry Potter space up there with the leopard print, and I couldn't have that. So they offered me a seat downstairs in a much more comfortable place because no one's taken that yet. At first I thought it was this room, but no. But if you come over here, in the deepest parts of the basement, there's like a foosball table and a second living room, and attached to this is just like this room here with its own couch and TV and workstation, and there's like an Xbox right here. I'm just gonna sleep there. Look, they even have an old man chair for me to sit down and gripe about things. We used to put lead in our glazes, and we liked it. So what is the plan for today? Because I know usually when we get here, here a day early to get our pre-registration badges, so we don't have to stand in line con. And then the next day we do stuff. But what do we? Today's like our free day, yeah.
Today's our free day, but our badge pickup day, because you don't want to pick up your badge on Wednesday unless you like standing in line for 2 hours.
And the galleries open too.
Yes.
That's the big thing. The convention
why
center
different
galleries.
The Nceca galleries or the galleries around
The
Nceca?
ones in the convention
center,
center.
outside of the resource hall.
That's important to know.
Yeah.
I get a lot of people from the previous Nceca videos asking like, what do I do on my first day? What is there to do? The events that I go to, and I know there's like the mug exchange, and there's like the teacup exchange, the chocolate exchange. There's the Clay Buddies thing, but primarily, whenever I've housed with these people, for the first day, we go get our badges. We go get our badges the first day.
Because we need those stinking badges.
You need them to get in, and if you don't get your badges the first day, you will end up staying in a very large line on one of the primary days, which means you just burn 2 hours.
Meanwhile, we're in the vendor hall getting all the stuff.
Yeah, we get all the stuff while people are standing in line. But shh, don't tell everyone, because then everyone will show up a day
The
early.
tickets are too expensive to not go around and get your freebies on one of the non-prime days, because the
Yeah.
prime days, like, everyone's there.
Yeah.
But if you go on the first or second day, it's like, oh, no one's here. Now I can actually peruse.
You get to see what's happening, right? You're doing the gallery shopping, but you kind of like look at the resource hall and you plan who's where.
You plan
You plan your attack.
Yeah.
Yeah. That mug there is $100. If it's not sold in 2 days, I'm gonna buy it.
You wait that long? No, you buy it.
No, you buy
You
it.
have to hold it.
Can't
you
just be-
hold
I
it
just-
with your life.
I can't just be buying.
You have to hold it with your life or else forget it.
I don't know if you guys have seen that little tin chrome red teacup that I have in a lot of my videos, but that was $100. And I bought it last Nceca, and
That's
every
your first
Nceca I stared at it, another piece like. They also don't bring a table with the stuff most of the time unless they're close. So half the time, if they're traveling from in-state or out-of-state bringing stuff over, you end up bringing like 10 pieces, and then you sell those 10 pieces at one of your gallery tables or whatever. So if there's an artist you like and they brought 10 pieces, you buy one of those pieces.
Yeah, you don't wait. Because you might also not be able to get that artist, right? Some artists are so big that this is the only time you can get your hands physically on a piece.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're having to do the website game where
Which is a shoot for sure. And some of them are really reclusive. Like potters are known for just living in their garages.
Yeah.
But we are now gonna go in the car to Nceca to pick up our badges.
It's magic.
Thank you for your patronage.